Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Yes, guys, when I said it the other time that officially Kwam1, that is Wasiu Ayinde, is the official musician for Bola Tinubu, even before he was declared as the winner of the presidential primary for the APC. So now we have the likes of Kwam1, Wasiu Ayinde, and Pasuma Wonder, as they have made a lot of songs for the flag bearer of APC, that's Jagaban. You can listen to the music. You can see elections in the corner. So now you'll be hearing different kind of tunes of music composed for the presidential candidate of APC, that's Bola Tinubu, the Jagaban.